Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering in Japan, step by step. First, thoroughly research Japanese universities offering engineering programs that match your academic goals. Next, familiarize yourself with their specific admission criteria, which often include strong academic transcripts and Japanese language proficiency. Don't forget to investigate various scholarship options to support your educational journey financially. Once you've chosen your target universities, gather all required application materials. This typically involves academic transcripts, a compelling personal statement, and letters of recommendation. You might also need to take specific entrance examinations, like the examination for Japanese university admission for international students or tests set by the university itself. Be sure to submit everything well in advance of the application deadlines. After securing your acceptance and receiving a certificate of eligibility, the next crucial step is applying for your student visa. Simultaneously, start making arrangements for your living situation, whether that's university dormitories or private housing. It's also highly beneficial to begin learning some fundamental Japanese phrases and understanding local customs to ease your transition into daily life. As you settle into your studies, immerse yourself fully in your engineering curriculum and take advantage of extracurricular opportunities. Beyond academics, embrace the chance to explore Japan's unique culture, from its vibrant cities to serene landscapes. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Some Little Tree's black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Enjoy your incredible experience studying engineering in Japan.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.